Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Twoguysfinance's business mobile banking app. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time with this one, just going to go straight to the point. So let's get started. Now the first thing you're going to need to do, of course, is to download the Twoguysfinance business mobile banking app. And once you have that on your device, you can get that from the Play Store for Android devices or the App Store for iOS devices. Now once you have that on your phone, or you have it downloaded and installed, just log into the app using your Twoguysfinance banking credentials. And once you've done that and you're signed in, you can review your business account balances and transaction history on the app. Likewise, you can use the app to transfer funds or pay bills, as well as to deposit checks. Now you can always review and update your account information whenever you need to do that. And you can also use the app to track your business financial progress. Now, if you need to contact Twoguysfinance customer service regarding any questions or concerns you have about the app, that's possible to do. And you can always just review and update your app settings regularly to stay up to date and recent. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Twoguysfinance's business mobile banking app. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in the next one.